We've added to the PLC Plus suite, this time a playbook for instructional leaders. Hi, I'm Nancy Fry. And instructional leaders confront lots of different situations when it comes to forming, managing, leading professional learning communities. In this publication, you'll find ideas about different ways to be able to form teams, how to be able to onboard those teachers who are new to the profession or who are new to the school, and how do you spread innovation across the school organization? How do you make sure that your stakeholders, including school board members, understand the hard work that you're doing? If this sounds like something that is interesting for you, please check out PLC Plus, a playbook for instructional leaders.